Looking for the best replacement windows, Clinton Township, Michigan? Our window installation services offer top-notch, energy-efficient windows that are perfect for any home. Whether you need vinyl windows, double-hung windows, or custom windows, our window contractors in Clinton Township have you covered. Upgrade your home with our replacement windows. Clinton Township Services. We specialize in bay window replacement and sliding windows, ensuring your home looks stylish and modern. Our residential windows are designed to enhance your home's aesthetic while providing superior insulation and energy efficiency. Our window replacement services in Clinton Township are second to none. From window frame replacement to window glass replacement, we ensure your windows are in perfect condition. Our window maintenance services include window sealing and window insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Explore our wide range of window styles and window designs in Clinton Township. Our window consultation services help you choose the perfect windows for your home. We offer window measurement and window fitting services to ensure a perfect fit every time. For custom windows in Clinton Township, our window solutions are tailored to meet your specific needs. Our vinyl window installation services in Clinton Township are ideal for those seeking durable and low-maintenance options. Double-hung windows and casement windows are also available for those looking for classic and functional designs. Trust our home window services in Clinton Township for all your window needs. Our window contractors are experienced and reliable, providing top-quality service every time. Whether you need window upgrade services or window maintenance, we are here to help. Choose energy-efficient windows in Clinton Township to reduce your energy bills and improve your home's comfort. Our window insulation and window sealing services ensure your home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer. With our window solutions, you can enjoy a more energy-efficient home. Our window fitting services in Clinton Township ensure your windows are installed correctly and securely. We offer window measurement services to guarantee a perfect fit, and our window consultation services help you make informed decisions about your window choices. For the best window contractors in Clinton Township, look no further. Our team is dedicated to providing exceptional home window services, from replacement windows Clinton Township to window installation Clinton Township. Trust us for all your window needs in Clinton Township, Michigan.